My name is Amloknath. I am from CSIT. My roll number is 24KD180733, and we are presenting GD. Our topic is, do deadline increases the productivity or reduces the creativity? So we all guys we go. Sorry. Please go ahead. Good morning. My name is M. Loknath. My roll number is 24KD180733. Today we are presenting a GD conversation between our group. Our sub teams are sub team 1 and sub team 2. Our topic is, do deadline increases the productivity or reduces the creativity? So basically this topic says that if you have a deadline, to every software company works on the deadline. So based on this statement, we all together say our opinions and share our thinking, and we share our thoughts. We'll go with everyone's opinion and we conclude the GD. Come on.
Yeah, sometimes a deadline increase our productivity and reduces our creativity. In our college projects, there is some deadline to complete that project. In that project, we divide the project into multiple subtasks, and we completed the project at the same time and increases the productivity.
Yeah.
Sometimes unnecessary stress and difficult situations reduces the project creativity. So
Yeah.
this is my opinion on that.
After listening this thing, I'll just give one advice. If you want to overcome your deadline situation, divide your topics among your group. Make the group go with every project, every work that all together can reduce the deadline and go with the project.
By coming to the deadline, we will not use our innovative things. We will use easy solutions and we will finish the project. So by this, we will not innovative by thinking the solution. I think so. This is also one.
Yeah, you said about innovative. I just want to know that what will be the your our main statement is like productivity and the creativity. I mean, when you are at the deadline, what do you think, all guys? Means more work or more creativity to solve the problem easily?
If the work is more, and that is the chances to reduce the creativity. If the work is less, less means we divide the work in subtasks, that means less work. In that time, we increase the productivity and creativity also.
It is great to hear.
Yes, I agree with his point. So deadlines motivate us to complete the work on time. So we should not go with the deadline. We should complete the work before that, so that productivity increases.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I agree with you, Navya, but sometimes it increase our stress, mental stress. At that time, we decide complete our work in deadline. So we don't think other way, like we don't think in creative way. So at that time, we lose our creativity and we can reduce our mental stress also.
But I think deadline is improve productivity when we have a fixed deadline. When avoid wasting time and more focus on work. That's
So deadline is a very useful concept to everyone because works on particular time and everyone given data time they reduce the concept of time.
Okay, as we told about the deadline, basically, what I know that if we come to the deadline, if someone is more close to a deadline, most of the people doesn't work like a human beings. They just act like a machines. They just do the work what is given. There will be a zero creativity towards the work. If you have a perfect leader can you can.
Prasad also want to share his experience. Why deadline decreases the creativity.
Kiran, how to manage our deadline and every work
After Prasad, I will continue.
Suppose we are
Okay, sir.
and working on one project. Sir give a deadline. Sir give a deadline. There is no deadline. We have to take advantages on the project because the submission of the project is too late. Okay, the deadline is used to improve the productivity and reduce the creativity.
As the conclusion of our GD is like mainly we focused not on the productivity, we focused on creativity. There are plenty of deadlines together, but we all use our creativity skills and we increase our group thinking and we use positive environment to create to reduce thinking and we more go with the creativity. Basically, this statement proves that when deadline is near together, work together, build the creativity, reduce the productivity. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, so I also want to include a point. So a well-organized deadline, uh, we can increase productivity without sacrificing the creativity.
Before ending the JD, we all will gather say our roll numbers one by one.
My name is K. Nabisha and my registration number is 24KD180723.
My name is Tejashwini and my registration number is 24KD180729. My name is Anita and my registration number is 24KD180726.
My name is Kalyani Bhatt and my registration number is 24KD180718.
My name is Amloknan. My roll number is 24KD180733.
My name is K. Srihari. My registration number is roll number is
ನಮ್ಗೆ option ಇದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ.
720.
ಅದೇ చెప్పరా
My name is K. Srihari. My registration number is 24KD1071.
My name is G Prasad. My registration number is 24KD180717.
My name is P. Kiran and my registration number is 25KD580706.
Good morning, everyone. We are from Team 2, and now we are going to do an activity group discussion. And here we are going to share our insights regarding the topic. And I am K. Namrata Verma from CSIT third year. My registration number is 727.
Hello everyone, I am Yashashni and my registration number is 24KD180731.
Hello everyone, myself Ashish. My registration number is 24KD180725.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohan K. The registration number is 24KD180722.
Hello everyone, my name is Charan and my registration number is 719.
Hello everyone, my name is Jay Navya. My registration number is 24KD180720.
And while coming to the topic, discussion we are going to participate on is the role of AI assistant in software development. And here we are going to share our individual perspectives regarding this topic, and we are going to share our own insights and come to a conclusion regarding this topic.
Yes, Namrata Verma, what I think is AI is very helpful to increase productivity in nowadays because for the coder or developer it reduces the repetitive code tasks and helpful to focus on main problem solvings and he can able to create new code than repetitive code. I think it's reassuring for AI to helpful.
Yes, Mohan, I agree with you. But also, AI is useful for debugging program coding. It helps more for programmers who use more coding examples. So, AI, I hope AI is more useful.
Yes, I am agreeing with you. It not only giving us a code and it also explains us and it finds some errors and it gives us the correct one.
Yeah, it also generates more images for a clear understanding, and also without depending on that, we need to use the real-time programming language because even AI also may give some errors in this program.
Yes, Ashish, I am agreeing with you. AI can generate, AI can generate, AI can fix the bugs and generates the code correctly, and it helps to reduce the time.
Yeah, I'll agree with all of you guys. But using AI is very much important and also beneficial for the software developers because it reduces a lot of time. But also we should implement our own knowledge because sometimes AI might give some wrong answers or something, yeah, incorrect answers. So to fix everything, we should implement our own knowledge. So completely depending on AI should neglect that one. Instead, we should take help from the AI and build some better product regarding
Yes,
that.
Namrata Verma, I agree with you because AI is like it is an assistant for us, but we are not assistant for AI. So what I think is we have to make our work like human intelligence plus AI work. That is what I say.
Yeah, but maximum members are depending on AI. So, all the members may get same answers. So, it may cause some problems.
Okay, you are right. Uh, we are not. We should not depend completely on AI, and we should check once whether it gives us the correct code or not, and it is the better way, I think.
Yeah, finally we come to a conclusion that AI is useful in our day-to-day life and it makes us a time very easier to get to the code. We should stop completely depending on AI. So there are both flows and flaws in this topic. So uh, we should use AI carefully and make our life better. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to conduct a GD on entrepreneurship as a career for engineers or not. So today we are going to discuss about this. So in my opinion, think, innovate, and build businesses. Don't just build knowledge, and also practically we can apply it on problem solving. So that in my opinion, entrepreneurship is a career choice for engineers. So that engineers not just only do problem solving, they can implement more problems. Don't just build careers, build businesses. Okay, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to conduct an GD on entrepreneurship as a career choice for engineers. So, in my opinion, entrepreneurship is a best for engineers so that they can implement problem solving. What do you say?
Yes, I agree with you, Neha. Instead of getting jobs, it is better to build our own jobs, and giving others employment is the best choice.
Yeah, as you said, entrepreneurship is very better. According to your point, if that is true, there should be more entrepreneurs than who are doing jobs like employers. So there should be more employers than employees. But in the real world situation, it does not exist. Like the employees are more than the employers. But I don't think it actually what you said is not correct. But actually, what you said is also right. Entrepreneurship is one of the best platforms like to create our own business and to maintain our own employees. It's also one of the best way. What do you think?
Yes, I agree with you. Entrepreneurship is also entrepreneurship is gives us independence, and instead of working under someone, we can create our own, and that's it.
Entrepreneurship is a very to create the jobs within.
Yes, I do agree with your point. Entrepreneurship can create job creations so that we can learn more on problem solving things. What do you say, Sampath?
So,
Yeah, as you all mentioned that entrepreneurship is one of the way. What do you think, Sampath?
so as my knowledge, not every student focus on software studies and software field. Every student have their own perspective. Nowadays, there are not much jobs in the software field or any other stream. So, entrepreneurship is a best one to focus, and we can grow as much as, and we can also contribute to our country, as we can focus on the many perspectives. So I will choose that one.
As you all mentioned that entrepreneurship is one of the best one, I do agree with that. But my point is that in entrepreneurship, it's like a startup. Like new fresher students will start the company. How they can provide the high range salaries like for example 2 lakh per month, 24 LPF packages. How could they provide that? I don't really understand.
And I have not observed any startup have given a large amount of salaries like that.
Yes, at the first of that starting up, they will not give much salary, but if it will work out, they will give salary.
Yes, we can go through a startup initially so that they step by day we can earn more salaries than industries.
So at
Okay,
starting,
Tamasra, as you said, the companies will take freshers for training 3 months for no salaries, and they will train them, and at the last 3 months they will select the freshers.
Okay, what you said is right. The training process will be happened and then selection will be taken. Okay, nice. It's a good process actually. Many people who don't have large skills, like minimal skills, they have through training they'll get better skills. And through that they can develop very well. Yeah, I agree.
so you said that at starting they cannot afford to pay by the salaries, but we can think it in another way. So if we had an idea and there are some members who will encourage our idea, so they will provide the money and they can help to make our business growth. So they can, then we can pay the salaries from their amount if we get the idea clicks. So then we can have a growth.
Yeah, what you said is actually makes sense. If we start a project, sorry, a business, if it works out, then it will be good. What if doesn't work out? What's your opinion? What if doesn't work out through an entrepreneurship?
I don't think anything like that. And you can improve skills day by day, and so you can grow.
No present target users for this product because everyone use something and they make the
Yeah, what you said is correctly true. What do you think through this discussion?
It's a very good idea to start very new businesses without any certificates and without any.
Okay, we all had various opinions on the entrepreneurship and the employment. So everyone has their own idea on the employment and the entrepreneurship. Hence, we conclude that following our mind and heart makes us feel happy, and we can live happily where we are, what we do. If we do what we like, we will be very happy. So, thank you.